Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are with a brand new video. Before you go to the video, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. First we register on the site, then we log into the site. Here divide the building. Here we have inventory. See how many food we have in our inventory. There is also a hunger bar and a health bar here. When we do not feed our work, the hunger bar ends, we start to eat from health, and when our health ends, we become a worker. The game is over. At the bottom, there are points produced by our worker. Don't forget to collect them. The points are used to buy food and turn it into money. Here first I gave food to the worker, then I collect points. One meal has 1 hour time. This is the marketplace. We can buy some items from here. Let me give an example. Now listen here carefully. Every time a level rises, a fruit opens. You can increase the level of each fruit. You have to pay for it. You can take it to the kitchen and give it to the worker after processing it. You can also give it directly to the worker. There are developed fruits here. We can buy and sell fruits here. After making the setting to buy the product, you need to click on it and write how many you will buy. You can get the most advanced fruit by making the settings I made. I forgot to say that after we process the food we bought from the market, our worker goes to our worker. You can take life from the market section. Can we feed the worker and convert the money we earn to auto by buying a house from here? The price of each house is different, its earnings are different, the price of the house is written on the earning period. Yes, this is a very important place. We send points from here. We convert our points to USDT. If you want, You can also convert the game money, both are almost the same. You can buy a house with only game money, suddenly both are the same money, so come to the minimum threshold, you can withdraw your money. You see payment areas here. It shows those who can get paid with a warning, and in red text, I say that you are withdrawing money on the weekend, so you have to make a request on weekdays. No YouTuber shows you the payment wing, I show you, but my English is enough but not enough, I don't know it. You decide. Look. Let me tell you clearly, I don't know English. If you don't understand what I am talking about, go to the help section of the game and read how it is played. Here you see what level 1 am, and the more points I earn, the more I will level up. It says, do you see my game money and other crypto money? There is also reference earnings in this system. Give the link to your friends and increase your earnings a little. I will be very happy if you come with my reference. You enter your wallet code here. Don't forget to save. Yes, that's all for me for now. Take care of yourself. Bye. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications and like and share.